Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, May 21st, and here's what we're doing in social studies today. After you watch the video and complete the Google form, go ahead and take the daily poll for today. All late work should have been turned in yesterday on the flex day, so that should be all set and taken care of. The discussion for today, make sure you reply to the discussion prompt and then respond to 2 other students. Our assignment for today is a chart about cause and effect. Let me show you what that looks like. So you're going to use what you have read in 8.1 to complete the chart below, and you can still use your book while you're completing this chart. So these are factors that helped the Roman Empire grow, and those are listed for you as causes in the left-hand column. And then in the right-hand column, what you guys are going to do is explain how each of these factors or each of these causes contributed to the growth in the Roman Empire. So for example, the first one is Augustus. What did Augustus do to make the Roman Empire grow? So you're going to write what he did and how Rome grew, how the Roman Empire grew in this box over here. And then you'll move on to the other ones and explain how they helped the Roman Empire grow. Once that's done, you'll hand it in on Unified Classroom, and then you can go into the fun activity, which is to develop a picture for me to put into our virtual classroom for tomorrow. In our virtual classroom for today, you have the link to the video, remind you to do the discussion, complete the cause and effect, and then the picture contest as well. So once everything is done, you are all set. If you have any questions, just email me and we will go from there. Have a great day, guys.